to my channel where you can learn some easy bite-sized Scottish Gaelic with me. And today I thought we could begin a little bit of a journey, and that is to learn how to say some surnames. I know that many of you are interested in your ancestry, your family tree, and what clan that you have come from. So I thought that we could begin this together and we could go through some surnames. So to start off with, I think there's one important thing that I should mention, and that is that we have two different starters to names, especially that begin with Mac. So Mac means son of, and we use Neek for daughter of. So for my surname, it would begin with Neek, because I am a daughter of. And if you were a male, it would begin with Mac, because you are a son of. So with my surname, I'm going to do my surname first, not only because it's my surname, but it is one of the most common in the world, so I think it's a good place to start, and that is Smith. So if you are male, it's Macagoing, Macagoing, Macagoing. And if you are a female, it's Nicagoing, Nicagoing, Nicagoing. So if you're a male, it begins with Mac, and if you're female, it begins with a Neek. So please do leave your surnames below if you would like a video. Hopefully I will be able to translate them. Not all names can be translated, certainly Lauren can't, but if I can do a name video for you, I will do that. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.